Latest research and development. 1. This cellular trick helps cancer spread, but could also stop it. Groups of normal CBLs can sense far into their surroundings, helping explain cancer cell migration. Understanding this ability could lead to new ways to limit tumor spread. 2. Fat stem cells heal broken spines in a breakthrough study. Fat tissue stem cells have shown a remarkable ability to heal spinal fractures and restore bone strength in rats. 3. Next generation cancer drug found to slow aging and boost longevity in lab study. A TOR-targeting cancer drug unexpectedly extends yeast lifespan through a newly discovered metabolic feedback loop. 4. Scientists discover a hidden split in West Coast killer whales. Inner coast transient killer whale hunting close to a stellar sea lion hull out off the outer coast of Washington. 5. Scientists discover hidden lion roar that could help save lions. AI has revealed a hidden lion roar that adds a new dimension to how scientists identify and monitor big cats. 6. It rivaled ancient Egypt, then vanished. New study pinpoints why the Indus Valley fell. Long drought cycles reshaped settlement choices in the Indus region. These climate stresses likely contributed to its slow collapse. 7. New research shows how entanglement amplifies light. Researchers discovered that when atoms interact and remain entangled with light, they emit stronger, more coordinated bursts of energy. 8. Scientists reveal a simple eating pattern that helps prevent constipation. A large, long-term study of more than 96,000 adults reveals that the way we eat as we age can play a major role in whether we develop chronic constipation. 9. New heart patch shows stunning healing power after a heart attack. A new microneedle patch delivers IL-4 directly into damaged heart tissue, helping the heart rebuild after a heart attack. 10. It is slowly marching south. Why scientists find this mushroom spread terrifying. A culinary favorite is becoming a forest threat, reducing native fungi and spreading rapidly. 11. Scientists uncover new biological law, cracking an 80-year mystery. Scientists uncover a basic principle that shows how higher nutrient levels change the pace of cell growth, revealing a universal rule that applies to microbial growth. 12. A paleontologist's dream, the breakthrough that changes how we date dinosaurs. An international group of geologists and paleontologists has developed a new method to accurately determine the age of rocks that contain fossils by directly dating preserved dinosaur eggshells. Thanks for watching this video.